One final cold start for the boys, current exhaust setup. Let me start it and I'll tell you guys what we're getting up to today. So today we have come as a quick pit stop to an undisclosed location to discuss a big matter on the Ford Figo. As you guys know, I'll link the video up top. The old back box simply withered away after a few years. So as the short video that I posted, I recently got some new back boxes for the Ford Figo, and the one of choice which you guys picked was the metallic grey. So what I'm doing at this undisclosed location is going to do some sound clips for you guys of what the car sounds like now, get a few drive-bys, and then we're going to head through to my favorite place, which is Solly's Exhaust and Tire in Nigel, and then we will commence to doing an before and after of the sound of the exhaust. For those that are interested, those that are in South Africa, because I'm doing the metallic grey exhaust, I will be selling this silver one with the bone tip. And just so you know, this exhaust is baffled. It's not like my previous exhaust, or not like my previous back box, which was hollow. This is actually baffled with fiberglass on the inside, so this should quiet down the Ford quite a bit. But before we get to that, let's get some sound clips and some revs of what it currently sounds like. I will show you now quickly what it looks like for those that need a reminder. Yeah, she is quite loud and we will quiet her down quite a bit. As we're getting older, we are maturing, so she will be quieted down quite substantially, I would presume, with the new exhaust. But let's get some revs so you guys can see what it sounds like now. Yeah, then we'll go from there. Exhaust setup. As you know, I have one resonator, and the rest is cut off because the old box corroded. But here's what it currently looks like underneath. So as you can see, it is a cut off piece that is just causing some discoloration on my paint. Let's head over to Solly. I'm actually gonna quite miss the sound of the Ford with the current exhaust. Get on. Guys, with the branches and the way the free flow is currently set up, she does sound good, but driving long distances with the car, it's just a bit too much. So I think quieting it down a bit is going to make a big difference, but I hope she still sounds nice. Let me know in the comments down below if your guesses are if it's going to be quieter or louder with the new back box. But we are halfway to Nigel. I'll update you guys as soon as we get there, but here's some scenic video until we get to Nigel. just going to get a price quickly on what it's going to cost, and then it's pretty empty, so I should be able to be going in pretty soon. And then there's a little surprise, but I'll make a little montage of the work and of some of the cars that are there. So let's go get a price. So we're just doing the mock-up of where the box is going to sit, and then he's going to get to adding the small piece of pipe that's required, and then we'll be able to hear what it sounds like with the new back box. Guys, first drive with the new exhaust. I'm doing interior first. I must say it's a lot quieter. It's something to get used to. I'm especially used to the very loud exhaust, so it's just something to get used to again, but it still sounds very good, especially with the branches. I couldn't get a video of the exterior shot as I started it. The place filled up quite a bit, but it sounds really good. It's nice, deep and throaty, and I can actually speak now that I'm driving again. So yeah, I think the purchase was definitely good. Like I said, I am selling the other back box, so if you guys are interested, let me know, because yeah, I'm not going to be using it. It does quiet down the car quite a lot, so if you have standard exhaust and branches, it's going to not sound much different. This is more for the guys with branches. Yeah, with one resonator and this box, it doesn't sound too bad, but I'm going to gear down quickly and hopefully you can hear, and then when I get back to my side of town, I will do some exterior clips again, and then you guys let me know what you think about the new exhaust. Yeah, pops and bangs are a little bit deeper now, more throaty than they were, so they're still there. But I still love this car so much, you guys. I have a bit of a tunnel coming up, so it's first check to see what the car sounds like underneath the tunnel. I can't really accelerate, but I'm gonna try. Still sounds good. Okay guys, so we are back at our spot where I was earlier. The exhaust is done, or the back box is done, it's on. And I must say it's a lot quieter in the cabin of the car. I really appreciate that, because now I can actually have conversations with the people that drive with me. I'm not sure how it sounds on the outside, but that is up to you guys to let me know. So I'm going to do a startup, a few revs, I'm going to do a few flybys again, and then you guys let me know what you think of what it sounds like from the outside. And then hopefully, if all goes well this year, I will be able to see some of you guys at car meets again. It's one thing I really want to spend time on again, is to get out to a few car meets. I haven't been to one in quite a long time, so I'm going to start it up. I'm going to do a few flybys. You guys let me know what you think in the comments down below. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Thank you for tuning in to another video. Please remember to like the video. It really helps the content spread out and it engages with more viewers. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Once again, thank you to Solly's. I'm not sponsored by Solly's, but thank you to Solly's for the great service, the speedy service, and the great prices. I hope you guys thoroughly enjoyed this video. The car is super dirty right now, but for now it's the end. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out and be victorious. Cheers.
Memphis, man.